Hello, today we will guide you through how to make Adobe Reader read out loud. This short walkthrough shows you how to turn on the built-in text-to-speech feature in Adobe Acrobat or the free Adobe Acrobat Reader. It's helpful if you prefer to listen to documents, want a quick proofread, or need a more accessible way to consume PDFs. The voice you hear comes from your computer's system voices, so it will sound familiar and can vary by operating system and language. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat or Adobe Acrobat Reader on your computer and open the PDF you want to hear. If this is your first time using accessibility features, you might see a prompt asking for permission to enable reading. Follow any on-screen guidance so the feature can work properly. If your document is a scanned image rather than real text, the reader may not speak as expected until the file has been recognized as text with OCR, so keep that in mind. Next, move your attention to the upper left of the app window where the classic menu bar appears. On Windows, it's usually within the application window. On Mac OS, it appears in the system menu bar at the very top of the screen. If you don't see the full set of menus because the app is in a simplified or full screen view, hover your mouse near the top edge or exit full screen so the menus become visible. Now place your cursor over the View menu to open its dropdown. This is the home for display preferences and several accessibility tools. You don't have to change any view settings. You're simply opening the menu to access the reading controls. Within the View menu, look for the Read Out Loud option. In most versions, it sits a few items down in the list. If you notice it appears dimmed, double-check that a PDF is open and not protected with settings that block accessibility features. Finally, click Activate Read Out Loud. After activation, you'll see additional choices in the same menu to begin playback, and the app will be ready to speak the text it can detect. The voice and speaking rate are managed by your operating system's speech settings, so the sound you hear reflects those preferences. Complex layouts, multi-column pages, or untagged PDFs may read in an unexpected order. That's normal for documents without clear reading structure. If the reading seems off, try another page or a different PDF to compare results, and consider using a well-structured file for the best experience. That's all there is to it. Open your PDF in Acrobat, go to the top left menu, open View, find Read Out Loud, and activate. Enjoy listening to your documents.